Alright, so what you are going to need is obviously the vinyl sticker. I will list the one that we use down below, a pair of scissors to cut straight lines, and a little scraping tool to get smooth edges. Alright, so as you can see, this is our countertop and kitchen before we put the marble on. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is obviously clear off your countertop so there is absolutely nothing left on them, and you need to clean the countertops. So make sure there are no hard bumps or anything like that left behind. As you can see here, Daniel is scraping the counter so that there is absolutely nothing left on it. Alright, so after your countertops are fully cleaned, what you're going to want to do is measure the vinyl so that you have enough to cover that edge. So what we did was started at the sink and we worked our way to the other end, making sure that we cut enough to flip completely over both edges. So the front edge as well as the side edge. So after we initially got our first kind of measurement, we flipped the paper over so that we could cut along one of the edges. So what we did was Daniel marked the spot that we wanted to cut with like a little razor blade so that we could get the initial measurement, and then we took it off after and cut that with scissors. So after we had our piece measured and cut to the appropriate size, we started by lifting one of the corners and sticking that part down first, and then working our way to the other side. So we then took the little scraper tool and pushed out any bubbles while pulling the paper back, and so we eventually got a flat surface. So this is what the first piece looked like after we had finished smoothing all of the edges and getting all the bubbles out. Then we moved on to the rest of the counter, repeating the exact same process. So we actually found that using a blow dryer was really helpful in getting very smooth edges, especially when we were folding over the front or doing a corner. So basically we just continued that process over and over of measuring, cutting, and sticking. After some time of smoothing all of the edges, this is what the final product looked like. So this is what the final product looked like. We're both really happy with how it turned out, and yeah, it was super cheap and easy to do.